PrailingSource.com here, and the watch I'm reviewing today is the Wyler Geneve Code Chronograph. Some of you guys may have seen tons of these things being liquidated on eBay and all sorts of places, and they've been showing up just about everywhere. I picked up one of them, and at quite a bargain, I guess, considering the $12,000 retail price on them. So Wyler, I guess, wound down their operations in earlier 2010 because obviously they weren't selling too well, and at $12,000 for a watch with a ETA-based movement, there was a lot of competition, obviously. So they're basically winding their operations until they can sell all their watches on the market, and so you're seeing a ton of the ceramic models, the titanium models, the Codas models, just being sold off. This one here is just the standard Codar with the ETA 2894 37 jewel chronograph movement in it. It's got a black, let's zoom up here, black ETA rotor on it, signed with Wyler Geneve. Otherwise, not a whole lot remarkable going on there with the movement. Every model is a limited edition. This one is 3,999 limited edition. So there is a limited production of these on the market. The case is quite unique. It's made of titanium up here and carbon fiber here, and there's a 4-point suspension on each of the corners here, where the movement, as you can see here, as I push the movement, it actually goes down. You can see it moving. And from this side, you can actually see the crown moving. I don't know, maybe you can't see it. The crown is actually moving with the movement, and the pushers don't move. But if you're pushing it down and you try and push a pusher, it doesn't go. So it has to be in normal position for the pusher to work. This model features the white dial. It's pretty nice with the chrome, sort of the black chrome gunmetal looking numbers on it. AR coating on both sides of the glass. Actually, maybe AR coating on the inside only. Just the overall layout and design of the watch is quite good. The straps require custom or OEM straps to fit onto it, so you can't just pick up any old strap and stick it on, which is a bit of an issue, maybe especially if they're winding down. We don't know when they're going to start producing any more straps, so getting replacement straps may become an issue for a lot of people in the future. One of the things to consider when buying these watches, I guess. Chronograph is a pretty standard issue. Top to start and reset, top to start and stop, bottom to reset. They apparently designed the pushers to look like foot pedals on a racing car, since the designs are inspired by racing. The crown is interesting. It's actually wrapped in rubber, so it looks like a tire almost. And in order to wind it, it's not screw down. You just kind of turn it when it's in there. If you want to adjust it, you actually have to zoom in again here and show you how this works. You actually have to pop out the crown guard by lifting here and lifting here, and then it pops out, and then you can pull out the crown, and then you can adjust your time. You just push them all back in when you're done. There's a few different models of the Wyler Codar as well as the Codas on the internet being liquidated right now, and they're all pretty cool. Tantalum, rose gold, ceramic, very unique and exotic materials, which makes it, kind of a cool watch. I don't think they even have a stainless steel model. Everything is either titanium or tantalum or gold, ceramic, stuff like that. So usually you can pick these up for anywhere from about $2,000 to about $5,000, and considering retail prices are in the $12,000 to $30,000 arena, it makes it quite a good bargain. So I personally think these are great watches. Running, believe they have the width of the watch clocked in at about 45 millimeters. So on my wrist, it actually wears larger than a Panerai at 44, in my opinion, because it has the length here. So a bit of spacing here and here on my wrist, but because of the titanium, it's pretty light, so you don't really feel it on your wrist. But otherwise, a super unique watch for not a whole lot of money. So in my mind, a pretty good buy. So hope you guys enjoy the review. Have a good one.